cheap. Like I said, the parts are really cheap. Yoshimura. Yoshimura. All the little bits and pieces. All say Yoshi. Yoshimura. It's a Coco, why are you running? I know you're scared of these guys, but go, Coco. It's okay. You can go. Like she's running away. Poor thing. Those guys are adorable, though. Also, this thing that has just been sitting here for so long. Poor thing. It still looks kind of clean. And all the kids go home. One's very terrified and the other one's equally terrified as being a cat. Oh, you guys are screwed.
We're all stuck. We're all stuck, guys.
Welcome back to the channel. Today's a super exciting day for me. The back of the Sequoia is empty, and when it's empty, you always know it's gonna be something really good that we're gonna go pick up. So stay tuned. Oh yeah, guys, just want to do a quick introduction from my pops. This is, if you guys don't know him yet, he's Pops, my father. The reason why I'm into cars, don't mind the Sequoia. This is the workhorse for the whole family, and you know, exactly what it is. If you see us jumping in this truck, that means we're picking something up, which is pretty cool. So, right, Pops?
Yep.
And today, he doesn't know what we're gonna go pick up. And I'm not gonna tell him, but I'm pretty sure he's gonna be really excited about it. You ready for that, Pops?
Yes, I'm very ready.
Alrighty. Well, guys, we will see you over there, and you will see what it is that we're picking up. Something fun, something awesome. I know he's gonna love it. I'm gonna love it too.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Tell me you're working. We're sorry, is it? DM temporarily out of you. Jerk face, trash. Yeah, stop. Oh. No, you're fine.
It runs, but I lost the key.
So,
I'm good with it. Not easy. You took a crap on me, Ken. Then you're gonna have to buy this one too.
Huh.
I think it did.
Black and white? Sure. Buy another one. Ooh. Ooh, you got lucky with that one. Right? That's
This is confusing because it's easier when you do it wrong. Oh, you guys want to lift all together?
I'm gonna watch my dad struggle.
Oh, sure, there you go. That's how you gotta practice wheeling.
Until you realize that. Is it in gear?
Yeah.
Yeah, hold the clutch out.
Oh. There's not extra.
Alright, let's go. The clutch. It sounded like it wanted to start, right? I was like,
I think it was gonna start this one. That's your problem. You didn't push the button.
you're gonna have to sit sideways.
Yeah.
Alright, we gotta tilt it.
Tilt over to me.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright. Lift. Wait again?
Yeah, hold on, lady. Hook in the spring.
In the spring? In the sprocket? Got it out?
Alright, go.
I'm not crazy. Oh, I am crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I knew that.
I had the front door.
That's good, Kev.
No, but it's from the box. You got to back now. You get yourself.
Oh yeah, true that. So we gotta move it over.
Raise up, Kev. Try to bring this in.
Is the hook there, Dad?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Am I going to send?
I'm gonna walk through this. That's fine. Ow. That's funny.
No, you should allow me to help me to turn this down.
I told you you're gonna wanna take it.
Little wheels on.
It's a little packet.
Oh, we got a yeah, with little Patrick.
Okay.
Not little Grom.
No.
Here's the fast one.
It's a little bit faster, yes. And it has upgraded bits and pieces. Wait.
Oh, the handle.
Yeah.
Turn it. Turn it.
Yeah,
Oh,
but it's scary.
photo. Papa Willy.
Wait.
It looks so small, like it looks real. Like I believe it. It's weird to think, and
So small.
it's crazy to think this is a full-size bike.
It's so small.
Oh my gosh, this thing is tiny. There you go. No, that's still in gear. That should be zero. Yeah, that's neutral.
Whoa!
I thought he was.
Yeah, Mario dude.
I thought you were kidding with the Yoshi stuff. Yeah, it's a Yoshi.
And name it Yoshi because it actually named Yoshimura.
Tell me you picked this up.
Then later on I changed it in green.
No, I would have put it in green.
Yoshi.
Just put Yoshi right here.
Yeah.
This is really cool.
I can reach the ground.
Here's the new toy, guys.
Reach the ground.
You could touch the ground.
Yeah, full foot on the ground.
Hold, stand it up. Yeah? Like, kick the stand back. Kick it back. Be aggressive.
Okay.
Yeah, that's small. That's small for yeah. That's it. Here's the back wheel,
That's
right?
the front brakes.
Yeah.
See?
What's up?
You got it? That was good. Yeah, I told you it was never a good job, Dad. Just throw it. That's why we have you. Built like ox.
Yeah. Remember when Forrest came out, we liked it?
I liked it when it first came out. Yeah, it's just they were too expensive. This is like a $6,000 bike still.
Yeah.
Back when it came out. All right, and here it is, guys. We got it off of the back of the Sequoia. It's in rough shape, and it needs a key cylinder to get it started and get it working. So that's something that we're gonna end up working on today. But yeah, let's go over some of these details. So it's a full Yoshimura spec out bike. It's pretty cool. It came with all the bits from Yoshimura here and there. You can see it labeled everywhere on the bike. It's pretty cool. I like it. I think it's been sitting outside for some time. I don't know, maybe a couple months, maybe a year, but it looks like it's in pretty good condition. 2015, looks like it's gonna be fun to ride. So yeah, let's get working on the front end and try to get this key cylinder out. We're gonna get a key cut for it, and we're gonna get a chance to ride it. What do you think about the bike, Pops?
Very nice, sick.
Yeah, sick.
Yes.
Here it is, guys.
Love it.
Pops love it, thinks it's sick. Let's get into it. Gotta make sure those things don't slip off, because if it does, you're gonna get shocked.